Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn cloud networking step by step. To begin your journey, it is crucial to grasp fundamental networking concepts. This includes understanding IP addressing, subnetting, and routing protocols. You will also need to familiarize yourself with virtual private clouds, which are isolated network environments within the cloud, and their essential components. Finally, explore network security groups and access control lists to manage traffic flow effectively. Next, select a major cloud provider such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform. Each provider has its own unique set of networking services and architectural patterns. Dedicate time to studying their specific offerings, like Virtual Private Cloud in AWS or Virtual Network in Azure. Hands-on practice configuring virtual networks, subnets, and gateways within your chosen platform is absolutely essential for practical understanding. Now, let's install the new wheel bearing. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the mounting surface to ensure a proper fit. Carefully position the brand new wheel bearing assembly into its housing. Reconnect the anti-lock brake system sensor wire securely to the new unit. Then, meticulously reinstall the brake rotor, the caliper, and finally the wheel, reversing the steps you took during disassembly to ensure everything is correctly aligned. Finally, consistent hands-on practice is paramount. Build several projects, perhaps deploying a multi-tier application or setting up a secure hybrid network to solidify your understanding. Consider pursuing a cloud networking certification, such as an AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty or an Azure Network Engineer Associate, to validate your skills. Always stay updated with the rapid evolution of new cloud networking features and services to remain proficient in this dynamic field.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.